So we'll be looking at this question. If I subtract 14 from a certain number, I multiply the result by 3, the final answer is 3. What was the number? So we'll just quickly look at the solution. What we say here is we don't know what this certain number is, but we will represent this certain number by a variable called c. And then 14 will be subtracted from this number, and that will yield us c minus 14. If I multiply the result by 3, multiplying the result by 3 implies 3 times c minus 14, and that can be simplified as 3 into c minus 14. This final answer is equals to 3. The result is 3, indicating that 3 into c minus 14 is equals to 3. So we'll solve this equation. 3 into c minus 14 is equals to 3. So what we'll just do is to divide through by 3. Why are we dividing through by 3? If you look at the left-hand side, you see that the coefficient of c minus 14 is 3. What I mean is that the figure, the number multiplying c minus 3 is 14. So if we divide that by 3, that side is simplified. But because it's an equation, whatever we do on the left-hand side, we will also do it on the right-hand side. So we'll divide both sides by 3, and that gives us 3 multiplied by c minus 14 over 3 is equals to 3 divided by 3. On the left-hand side, the 3 in the numerator and the 3 in the denominator will cancel out themselves. And then on the right-hand side, 3 over 3 is equals to 1. So simplifying it as c minus 14 is equals to 1. The next step we will do here is to identify like terms. What does it mean to identify like terms? We identify terms that when we combine them together, they can be further simplified. So I'll give an example I commonly give. If I have 1 apple and I add 14 apples, what do I have? I have 15 apples. But if I have 1 apple and I add 14 pineapples, I still have 1 apple and 14 pineapples. It can be simplified further. So in that particular case, in this particular scenario, 14 and 1 are like terms. They are numbers. So all we'll do is to group them. So we will take 14 on the left-hand side and take it to the right-hand side to meet 1. And it's negative on the left-hand side. So when it crosses over through the equal sign to the right-hand side, it becomes c is equals to 1 plus 14. And what we have there is we are grouping the like terms, and then we can simplify further. So c is equals to 15. So the certain number we thought about, we've solved it, is 15. We'll just do a quick check here to see if that is the case. So if 14 is subtracted from 15, which is that certain number, it gives us what? 1. If we multiply 1 by 3, what we have is 3. And that satisfies the question above that say the result is 3. So therefore, the certain number that we had chosen from the onset and which has been solved correctly is 15. Thank you.